Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to rotate home screen to landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A17 and you want to rotate your home screen to landscape mode, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for home screen settings. Just tap on it. And here just further scroll down and you will easily get rotate to landscape mode. You must have to enable that settings. Once you have enabled, your landscape mode will be enabled. If it doesn't, just go down your control center and here just look for auto rotate. Here you'll get the portrait or auto rotate. If you have enabled this setting, you must have to tap on it to disable that. Once you have disabled, your landscape mode will be turned on. So that's how you can easily rotate home screen in your landscape in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.